In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make ElevenLabs Whisper in just a few simple steps using an easy trick that works much better than guessing or rewriting your script over and over. If you've ever wanted your voiceover to sound secretive, soft, or dramatic, this method is going to help a lot. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open ElevenLabs and navigate to the Text-to-Speech tab. This is where you'll create the voice output and where the whisper effect will be applied. Once you're in the text-to-speech section, look for the model drop-down menu. This part is important because the model you choose can completely change how your whisper sounds. Select 11v3, or if you see it available, 11v3 Alpha. These newer models are designed to handle emotional tagging much better than the older ones. Older models like V1 or V2 usually do not natively support emotional tags, so if you try whispering with them, the result can sound mechanical, unnatural, or the tag may be ignored altogether. So if you want the cleanest and most realistic whisper effect, always start with the right model. Next, you need to format your script correctly. This is the part most people get wrong. Type your text as normal, but place whisper or whispers inside square brackets right before the exact words you want spoken softly. For example, you could write something like, whisper. Be quiet, someone is coming down the hallway. That tells ElevenLabs to treat that line with a whispered tone. If the whisper does not sound strong enough on the first try, you can experiment with the phrasing and placement of the tag until it feels natural. Another helpful trick is stacking emotions. If you want the whisper to feel more emotional or dramatic, you can combine multiple tags together by placing them in separate brackets right next to each other. This can add extra subtext and make the voice sound more intense, more nervous, or more suspenseful depending on what you're creating. Just remember to keep the lines short. Shorter lines usually work better for whispers because they sound more controlled, more natural, and easier for the model to interpret. Long, dense paragraphs can make the effect weaker and less believable. So if you want the best results, break your text into short, focused lines and test them one at a time. Once your script is ready, click Generate Speech. ElevenLabs will process the text and create the audio with the whisper effect applied. After that, listen back carefully and see how it sounds. If needed, go back and adjust the tags, shorten the line, or switch the wording slightly to get the exact whisper tone you want. The key here is to use the right model, format the whisper tag correctly, and keep your script clean and short. That combination will give you much better results than just typing normal text and hoping the effect appears. And that's it. Now you know how to make ElevenLabs Whisper using a simple trick that actually works. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.